So our goal today is to make music in GarageBand in 1 minute or less, just to demonstrate exactly how easy and simple it is and how quick, and why you should never accept anything less than original content from your students. When you first open up GarageBand, look for the Magic GarageBand along the left-hand bar, and then you'll see the styles and just choose the type of music you want. I chose funk, and then the window opens and you see all of the instruments that are available. You can change instruments or get rid of instruments just by highlighting them and then looking at the bar below and choosing which ones you want or don't want. Hit play and you'll hear your song. When you're happy, click on the Open in GarageBand button. When you're in GarageBand, you can still alter and change the music if you want. Finally, go to Share and choose Send Song to iTunes.